I'll show you two emails, and that will clear the difference between an acceptance of UK visa application and rejection of the application. So, if you guys don't know, basically before I came here, my UK student visa got rejected once, and it was because of some confusion at the end of the caseworker, because I submitted all the documents, but those documents weren't checked properly. So I applied for administrative review. It was a very tough time, but towards the end I got my visa and then I came here. But the thing is, how do you know your visa got rejected? So when you submit your documents at VFS and your documents are sent to the UKVI department or the department where your application is processed, basically they take some time, and then in case your visa gets rejected, then you receive this email. Basically, as you can see, it says decision letter. This is my reference number of the application. The name of this email handle is UKVI New Delhi refusals, and then there is a decision letter attached here, which basically says why my application got rejected. If you want to know more about why my application got rejected, then I have made a separate video where I have shared the reason and explain the reason behind the rejection. However, in this video, we will only talk about the difference between acceptance and rejection. So, in case your visa gets rejected, you receive this email which says refusals here, decision letter, and then there is a PDF file attached down below that you can open to figure out the reason behind your rejection. Now, there is another email that you receive, and this is the email basically that you receive in both the cases, even if your visa got accepted or rejected. So basically, this is the email I received from VFS Global, and it says that my visa application was processed and the passport has been arrived at VFS office. And in the next email, it says that my passport has been dispatched. So basically, this is the email that says the processed application, the processed passport has arrived to the VFS Global office from the visa department, and now they are sending your passport back. Okay, this email you receive in both cases if your visa got rejected or accepted. However, there is a difference. If you didn't receive a decision letter email having a refusal PDF attached, and you only received this email from VFS Global, that means your visa got approved and there weren't no issues, and now you will get your visa because you didn't get any rejection email, right? And then you straight away got an email saying your passport has been received from the visa office and now we will send you the passport back from VFS Global basically. So if that's the case and you didn't receive a decision letter mentioning the rejection, then your application got processed successfully. You will receive your visa. However, if you receive the decision letter having this refusal decision letter, and then after that you receive the same email, the processed visa application email from VFS Global, that means that although you will get your passport back but your application was not successful, you will have to do something about it. So that's the difference between the two emails, and that's how you know if your visa got accepted or rejected. I hope this video was helpful. In the next video, I can also talk about what you should do after your visa gets rejected, although I covered that bit after getting my visa approved again. So you can just scroll down in my channel and have a look at the video. But if you guys want me to make a separate video on what to do after your visa gets rejected, then let me know in the comments down below. I will try my best to do that. That's all for today's video. I wish you all the best. I hope you don't have to face visa rejection, but even if you do, don't lose hope, because I also faced visa rejection, but I am now studying here without any issues. I even arrived here 2 weeks before my course started, so everything was chill. It's important to apply for visa on time and just make sure you do that, and afterwards everything will be all right. So that's all from my side. Take care, guys. Bye.